Selamat datang semua, ini masa kita. Tunduk berhemah, bukannya lemah.
Can I be free? Relax and take it easy. We only get one life. So
Okay, yeah, Waterbarrow. That's the city here in Kelantan. Okay, just like Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah,
This-
yeah.
Okay.
Only have a civic agenda to go, right?
No, I want you to go craft tangan. Abang want to take some traditional craft tangan.
Yo, it's a boy Houston, you know what it is. Guys, we outside Kelantan, around Kampung Sampai di sini. Right now, we are here in Kelantan at Kampung Kraftangan to experience all the handicrafts, traditional Kelantanese crafts. Jump, let's go, let's explore. Yeah, see that? This is where you get your souvenirs, Kelantan souvenirs. I love Kelantan.
That's for free, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, both fish.
For free.
Leg.
I need one. Oh, here they customize for you.
Oh yeah.
Ni craft tangan.
Kraftangan, oh, the
Bukan tanggang lah, tangan. Tangan.
Tangan, Kraftangan.
Tangan kerak.
Sultan.
Untuk setang. Oh.
Biasanya ni pakai untuk siapa pendekar ke pakai. Itu nama kain kedai.
Kita orang Kelantan wajib geleng gaya Kelantan. Jangan buat tak reti, jangan banyak bui alasan. Duk jeruk mana pun aja.
Where are you from, man?
Africa.
Africa.
On a sunny day, yeah.
This is really nice.
Kitty vibes, right?
Why they do?
Cheers, man. Jalan cari makan. Trying one of the viral food here in Kelantan. Let's go. On a sunny day like this, you need this ice cream. Seju. Rasa manis. Seju. So refreshing. Fresh milk. Yo, it's your boy Houston, you know what it is, guys. We outside Kelantan, Malaysia. I'm taking a stroll in the streets of Kelantan in one of the kampongs. Let's go. Let me show you around how the kampong looks like here in Kelantan. Let's go. Hello. This is how the kampong looks like. Hello. Yeah, I'm here by the beach side. Let me show you how it is here in Kelantan.
Sandy beaches and clear waters.
Welcome to Kelantan. This is how it looks like here in Kelantan. So relaxed, so calm. This is the life in Kelantan. Taking a stroll, waiting for the sunset. The only black guys in Kelantan at the moment. Yo, let's go, let's go, let's go. What a conducive evening right here by the beach in Kelantan. This is how it looks like. Yeah, come in, okay. Let me take a walk. I'll be right back, I'll join you guys. Come in, come. Sure, I'm gonna play with you guys. Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi. These guys are so friendly here in Kelantan.
Good morning. Good morning.
Push up on the hand and pull up and pull over. Fire starter come lay down and roll over. Enough of them are jokers who look for export.
Yo, it's the boy Houston, you know what it is. Guys, we outside Kelantan. Yeah. Saya sampai, orang Kampung sampai di sini. Orang Kampung right now in Kelantan, having breakfast, Nasi Kerabu by the beach side. Let's makan. Jum, tambah nasi. Let's do it, the Malaysian style. See that? This is Nasi Kerabu. You can only find it here in Kelantan. This is one of their signature dishes here in this place. Let's makan. If you come to Kelantan and you did not eat Nasi Kerabu, you have not started. You have to makan Nasi Kerabu. Let's do it.
Goes for sure.
Yo, let's makan. We have to mix it, the Malaysian style. I'm loving it here in Kelantan. This is paradise, conducive weather. You can hear the sound of the waves while you're enjoying the rich breakfast of Kelantan. Selma pagi, makan.
Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy.
Let's try it together with the roasted chicken. You put on the ayam, and then the makan.
Potong boleh ya. Ye, waktu nak pikir.
Sedap. Apa tadi? Apa betul?
Sedap dah.
Yeah. I don't eat the nasi kerabu. I'm just eat the white rice. Sedap. Buat orang mati. Kita nak makan sama orang tau. Lah tu buat sama orang tu. Berapa tak juta tu. Apa ni?
3 orang tak pasti tak?
Seorang tu. Dia tu sama orang.
Tahun ni sama.
Dia sama dia yang mati. Tapi sebelum tu mesti Ali bawa ke abang. Habis dah kok?
Habis dah.
Oh.
Wow. What an overwhelming experience. Nasi Kerabu, so delicious. The vibe by the beachside, so windy. Yo, terima kasih Kelantan. Breakfast so sedap. Jom. Tambah nasi. Let's go. Saya orang Kampung di sini. Saya sampai in Kelantan. Have you ever seen this before? Getting water from the underground. This is how they do it. The traditional way, the Kampung style.
Kita orang Kelantan wajib gelai gaya Kelantan. Jangan buat tak reti, jangan banyak we alasan. Duk jeruk mana pun ajauh di.
This is the first time I'm seeing this in Malaysia. I thought it was only in Africa that you could see this, getting water from the underground. Such an experience. So guys, let's get water from the underground. We call it well, but it's underground water. Let's do it. This is how you do it. You take the bucket and then you send it. Send it. Yeah.
Go.
Yeah. You don't get to see this anywhere. You only find this in Kelantan. I'll bring it. Let me show you. Come closer. See how clean it is. So fresh. Okay. All right. Terima kasih. We are here to explore Kelantan. Now let's go. Jalan terima kasih.